How to remove virus from the laptop or a desktop. It is really annoying that while playing games or while doing anything, you have mistakenly downloaded something and suddenly the whole computer messed up. If this is the case, do not worry and please make sure you watch the whole video and you will be able to save your computer, and overall the performance, the slowness will be fixed and your computer will be just like a brand new computer. Now the only thing is that you just need to have some patience, watch the whole video and do a step-by-step tutorial. It is a sequence-wise tutorial. The best part of this tutorial is it is very easy to follow and anyone can do it. So the very first thing here we need to do is to remove the temp from the computer. So if your computer is infected, it is important to either use a different user account if you have already created, or if you do not have any other user account and you cannot log into that, then I would recommend to remove temporary files, temp files from the computer. And for that we are going to do the step-by-step thing, so please make sure you do not miss anything. So here I'll just do a right click, and this will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both, so no worries. Even it will work on all kinds of versions, even Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. So once you have do the right click, click on run, and here type clean mgr, or you can simply type temp temp. Once you have typed it, click on OK. So firstly we need to weaken the virus. So we are here in the temp, and I'll just press Ctrl A and you can press Shift Delete. Now some of the files will not be deleted. That is absolutely fine. You can skip it without any worries. So once this is done, close this and open the run window again by just doing a right click and click on run, and this time type %, then temp %. I'll just maximize it. Now once you have typed it, click on OK. Now a new window will appear, and here select all and press Shift Delete. Now the reason why we are pressing Shift Delete is to delete all these chunks permanently. Once this is done, the next thing we need to do is to open the browser. If you're using Chrome, then open the browser, and at the very top, three dots, just click on that and go to Settings, and at the left hand side you will find Reset and Cleanup, and here select Restore Settings to their default. Now this will disable all the bad extensions, or if your browser is also infected, this will reset and fix the problem. Now once this is done, close this and do the same thing for your Edge browser, because we need the browser in a working condition to remove all kinds of viruses. So now here in Microsoft Edge, click on Settings, and then at the left hand side look for Reset Settings, and here you need to click on Restore to Defaults. Now the best part is your favorites, your history, save password will not be cleared, so no worries. Now once this is done, you can restart the computer or just open the browser and type Malwarebytes. Now once you have typed Malwarebytes, hit enter, and please make sure that you only visit www. Now this is a very effective tool to remove viruses, so I'll click on here, and from here you can download the free trial, run the scanner. It might take some time to scan the whole computer, and once this is done, restart the computer and then uninstall that Malwarebytes. It is up to you if you want to keep that, you can do that, or if you do not want to keep it, you can uninstall that. And there is one more thing you can do if you do not want to install any third-party application, third-party security. Now here at the bottom right corner you have this shield icon. Click on that, just do a double click, and here go to Virus and Threat Protection and do a full scan, not the quick scan. Now I'll click on Scan option, and here select the full scan and click on Scan Now. Now in this manner the whole computer will be scanned, and it might take some time. It might take 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour. So let the scan complete and then restart the computer and see if your system is working absolutely fine or not. I hope you have resolved this query, how to remove virus from Windows 10 or how to remove virus from Windows 11. So please leave a comment if you have successfully fixed the problem, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.